Most of you know the Latin root for doctor is teacher. It's educator. D.D. Palmer in 1895 said, when a member of society has fallen, call in an educator and they will write him back to life.
You see, the pain on the inside started actually reflecting on the outside. But suddenly I made a decision. I was driven to heal, whatever the cost, whatever it takes. There's a quote from the Bible, and it says this: what man meant for evil, God worked for my good.
I was born into a natural health family. Third generation chiropractor, practiced taking thousands of patients
Today,
under my
that's
care.
right, today marks 20 years where I have taken care of patients. 20 years I've sat in their pain. 20 years I sat in their healing. I am Dr. Ramah Jean Wagner.